بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today, guys, we're going to learn the handwriting class number 1. So you improve your handwriting. Today, the alif has the length of 5 dots. 5 dots is like, okay, in order to measure a letter, so we measure with the dots. It's not centimeters, they are dots. So this is 4 dots, this is 5, this is 6. So this is our length. So alif is 5 dots, is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alif is going vertical. And then I have the hamza, which is the number 2 in Arabic, which is ithnan, and then I make a slash. Ba is like a tiny slash, and then I go with a horizontal line with a little bit of inclination with the length of 4 dots, and then I close it. The sister of ba is ta, so I go with a little bit of slash, and then I go with a little bit of inclination and close it. The sister is tha, so I make a very tiny slash, and then I go with a little bit of inclination and close it. If I make the jim, so I make a line that has a little bit of inclination parallel to the line, and it is over the line, and then I put my pen in the middle, and then I make the letter C in English, or half circle. If you notice something, if I make a column from here, it's going to touch half the circle. And then the line could be in the middle or a little bit up, a little bit down. And then if I make another line from here, so then you'll see an extra of 1 dot. So this is 4 dots. And this emptiness in the middle is 5 dots, exactly like the alif. So ba, ta, tha are 4 dots, and then jim, the emptiness is 5 dots, and this is, it has a little bit of inclination and it is parallel to the line. And then you put the dot in the middle. So I make a line with a little bit of inclination, I put the pen in the middle, and I make this C letter. Yeah, dash with a little bit of inclination, and then I make the C. So write with ease, don't stress on the pen, and inshallah you'll have a great handwriting. How about dal? Dal is that I make a 1/4 of a circle, and then I make a dash. This is 2 dots, and this part is 2 dots, and the body of the letter is 1 dot. And the emptiness in the middle, this part is exceeding that part with 1 dot. So you see, so this is 1/4 of a circle, this is a dash. If I made a column from here, so then you'll see the extra 1 dot here. And this part is 2 dots. This is dal or dal. How about ra? Easy. So I make the head of the ra, and then I make the body of the ra that has a little bit of inclination. The head is looking that way, the body is looking the opposite. Okay, so this is the first move, that's the second move. Now the tail is the same like the head, the same length. So the head is on the line, and then the second move has a little bit of inclination, and then I go a little bit up, exactly like the length of the head. This area is 2 dots. I go down the line with 2 dots. So that is ra or zay. First, we study noon in order to explain sin. Noon is about like the number 1 in Arabic, wahid, with a little bit of inclination. The length down is double the length up. And then I go with a dash with a little bit of inclination, and then I close it like this. till the line. If you notice that this side is bigger than the second side with one dot, this goes that direction and this goes that direction. It's like ba and tha. They go with opposite directions. That's noon. If I make the scene, so this is sab'a, the number 7 in Arabic, and then thamaniya, the number 8 in Arabic, and then I go with a dash, and then I put noon here. This is scene. You can add an extra little bit tiny slash here, so this is going to be academic, more academic. So it looks like this, more academic. Whatever easy for you, you can do. So 7 with it, which is sab'a in Arabic, and then 8, which is thamaniya in Arabic, and then you go a dash with the noon. This is 1 dot with the length, and this is 2 dots. And going down, 2 dots, and this is 3 dots in here. The first side is bigger than the second with 1 dot. This is sin or shin. How about sad? I go up with a bridge, like a bridge with the length of 3 dots. And then I go down with an obtuse angle. And then I go on the line like a dash with a little bit of inclination like this. And then I bring noon again like this. This side is bigger than the second side, and the length here is 3 dots. The emptiness here is 1 dot, and the length here is 3 dots. So this destination is like this destination. Yeah, I have an obtuse angle here. This is sad or dad. So inshallah, we stop here. Inshallah. And see you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.